Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm going live real quick. Um, I just wanted to, spend some more time on this live portion of the channel to talk about things, just typical things today. It's gonna be probably a quick vid, only due to the fact I'm driving today. Got my L's back, kudos to me. Main reason why I was, on the bike, but I gotta be active still. Still gonna be some more sweat coinings. Um, let me turn off the radio, cause yeah. Next few videos, I'm gonna probably be talking about engulfing or start talking about candlestick patterns. And then do a lot of back testing. I feel like back testing can express a lot of things that people don't understand, but we'll give them some more insight and pointers on how to trade the charts, on what they should look for when they're looking at the charts, because the charts is more about patience, pattern recognition, knowing how to execute. Executing a trade is not very hard. Anybody can execute a trade. You download the app, you get whatever demo. If you have your live account set up, you just log in, etc., etc. There's one touch. You can use your laptop. You should be doing a lot of your analysis on a laptop. If you're an experienced trader, I would say you can dibble and dabble on the mobile thing, but do not make your analysis on the phone, because the phone, I don't believe, gives enough data, or projects enough data for your mind to really see the clarity of the charts. Because charting, as you chart, or the more often you chart, you recognize that yourself, that you become more aware about what's about to happen versus what could happen. You become more of a reaction trader versus a projection trader. A lot of the traders that I want to create in the channel, or within the channel, or improve within the channel, is learning how to react to what you see, not predicting, not predicting what you think that the chart is technically going to be showing. And a lot of the times people do not understand, when you try to project and a setup that hasn't confirmed itself, it's a lot harder to create your ideal take profits and your ideal situation, in the sense of how can I make the best of this trade. A lot of the time, the trades themselves, you're gonna win more than you lose learning from the channel, or executing the things from the channel. I probably call it the scalping. I don't know what to name the scalping strategy yet, but it's probably gonna go through a series of names. 6-9 seems to be the most appealing, because just the 6-9 term itself is trending. But if we're in an uptrend, let's follow trend, right? 6-9 in a strong bullish, but there's gonna be some pullback. But how we handle pullback: 23.6, 38.6, 70.8, or 78.6, 88.6. Those are all our 100% retracement. Those would be all the variation of retracements when we're looking for trend continuation, or opportunities to re-enter the market where there might be some type of exhaustion. Wicks are big points of reactions, or where the market has a tendency to want to decide to turn or continue or create a big push. Even sometimes go sideways. Consolidation usually happens around key levels. I've learned to be patient. I'm really a really solid entry king, but my pullout game can sometimes be weak, and that's just greed. But I'm working on that now. Now that I do minimum, once I'm like 5-10 pips in profit, there's an automatic stop profit. So even if the trade goes against me, I can walk away with something. It's never let a winning trade become a losing trade because you expect it. Like, that's where the whole predicting thing, you can't really predict the market. Just take from the market what it allows you to, and then grow from there. You want to milk the market. You don't want the market to milk you, because once you let the market milk you, it's a wrap. You're gonna have up and downs. Your psychology is gonna be all over the place. You're gonna be upset. You're gonna cry. You're gonna be emotional. You're gonna want to quit. I mean, most traders, I don't know any trader that I've spoken to on this subject of this matter of like the longevity of trading. Even successful traders had points where they either actually quit, came back, or they were about to quit and broke through. Because trading is more of a psychological thing in my, understanding in the last 2 years. Well, April, yeah. April, well, May next month will be my anniversary again for when I started trading live. I started trading live April, May-ish. I actually opened the account in April, made the deposit in April, but I didn't start trading until May. My mentor had told me that you should always wait before you deposit, even if you have the confidence, and just wait. It's just a discipline thing, and it seems to work out when I wait to trade versus when I rush to go in and trade. Like, the anxiety actually clouds my, I guess, trading judgment, and from that judgment, I can cause a lot of failure in my trading and a lot of failure in my execution. So with that being said, just be aware you can deposit and trade right away. I've done it. There's been nights like for $10 challenges, $20 challenges, which I might even do on my YouTube. As we get more, I don't want to say active traders. I don't feel like the channel has any active trader. If you're an active trader, like, comment, subscribe. If you trade often, so we can, start doing challenges and stuff. I want to kind of start changing up the giveaways, because I won't be sweat coining as often as I would like, because, I'm not cycling as often. And, but I will be, trying to continue to make these lives and talk to, the audience as the audience grows and builds. I know I'm just in the beginning. I haven't hit 10K views yet. That's something I'm working on. Other things such as patterns, Fibonacci, support, resistance, zones. I think I covered a lot of, basic stuff. I'm going to look for more basic things to talk about. Trendline channels, I've also spoken. I have videos on that. I've started putting things in playlists from how to crypto, how to pip, to do two of those things, because the main form of the videos is to do daily price action with different information here, a little bit on crypto here, a little bit on forex here, coin market cap, free faucets. I'm gonna continue with the faucets for now, but I was thinking about stopping that. It's just I like it because it's something to do, and it's something to give people who don't have a lot of things to do. I'm not saying you wouldn't. Some people are busy and they won't be able to do it. That's even cool too. But the links will be in the description of the videos. Free Bitcoin, where you can, every hour have the chance to win up to $200 worth of Bitcoin at its current price. And that's something new. Hextra coin seems to be dead, but I'm gonna hoard the Hextra coins. Also BitConnect, I'm still holding those coins. I'm not selling them. I hold them. I feel like it, because people actually use the things to make transactions. Oh, Verge. I don't know if you've been following me since November, and if you have, and you bought Verge with me, Verge has partnership with Pornhub, which is in my in my belief, I believe, because sex does sell. Sex sells a lot. That's something cool and unique for me, because, or for us who are invested in Verge, that we know that it's actually as a cryptocurrency will be being used often, because there's a lot of traffic to that site. That site generates its own leads, its own stuff. So just that heavy traffic, it should increase the volume of transactions for the blockchain for Verge, which therefore over time build value and continue to grow the Verge as a crypto in worth, which I'm excited about. I hope they get to partner up with someone else who, you know, will take Verge, because right now I think the going rate for Verge is 7 cents, which isn't bad because I bought it, like, if I'm not mistaken, like around 10. Was it 10 cents? No, I think so. No, I bought it around 2 cents. So I'm like to profit with Verge. I'm just holding for the long run. A lot of these cryptos that I do invest in, I don't plan on cashing out anytime soon. Like, and if I do end up cashing out anytime soon, I would be shocked myself. That's like if every coin went up to like $300-400, and I'll be like, I'll take out a few coins, not even take out the whole thing. I'll take out a few coins, or yeah, I'll take out a few coins. I would take out 3 times my initial deposit. You know what I mean? Then I know that I bought those cryptos, and I was able to cash out where I made enough profit for what my initial deposit was, that I'm still in profit. You know, that was my whole thing, even with getting into crypto, because over time crypto seems to be getting its nice little push, where a lot of people are becoming aware that it's becoming something that is being used on a day-to-day basis, where people on the internet are paying in Bitcoin Cat, paying in Ethereum and Litecoin. That people are using these cryptos. A lot of artists are talking about this. I'm gonna probably be doing videos on that. About 50 Nipsey Hustles. These are artists in the music realm. You know, I like music. I do a little music on the side myself. And it's pretty cool because music is a nice business in itself, to know that they also get into the whole crypto thing. It's becoming intertwined. Imagine your favorite performer, for example. It could be even comedian, for example, entertainer. They accept Bitcoin for their concert tickets and stuff like that. And it was crazy because I used Bitcoin the other day. It was 9 cents, you know what I mean, to actually pay for something in Bitcoin, which was, in my eyes, was really great, because there's people, or like, if you want to go cash your check, like, you're paying about anywhere from $2 to $8. Like, think about that. 9 cents to use Bitcoin, and it's electronic. The internet really is not going to go down, because I don't believe that the way that, you know, our government set up and the economic structure set up, I don't think the internet's going anywhere soon. And if it does go soon, it's just because they have control over it. If the whole globe ran out of power, I would be confused, and I would believe the sun's not real. But these are just things where I'm applying like some logic and some things to understand, but we really can't predict the future. We can only analyze and see from our past what has happened. You know, they've made different currencies before. Gaddafi was trying to create his own currency at one point, if I'm not mistaken. And, you know, it happens. Like, people saw what he was trying to do, they found another way to do it and execute it even better with the mind, or the type of situation. Hold on, give me like a few seconds. I have to park. It's so crazy. Like, I'm here extremely early. Like, don't worry, I got skills. Super skills. Ooh, you seen those lights? Yeah, I can't see what I can see. You know, I'm watching 2D cameras. Would that be me multitasking? I'm crazy. Don't listen to me. I just be sometimes doing too much. Oopsies. Nah, I didn't hit it. But, you know, it was nice. It's really nice. Yeah. It's crazy because I guess the cycling would have been an extra 10 minutes. I mean, I could probably, you know, continue to talk for a little longer. But it's pretty cool to know I've been grinding. I really been grinding this YouTube. I'm gonna probably be a YouTuber. I don't know if I'm gonna be big or not, but I know I'm YouTubing. I create content. I got over 130 videos. Like, these videos are phenomenal. Well, I got my bet. Matter of fact, my best video yet has yet to come. So I'm gonna continue to give y'all content. You know what I mean? It's up to y'all to listen, take notes, to follow, to ask questions, to, you know, even do your own research and development. We're all humans. You know, I do a lot. I grind, I work, I YouTube, I father. Um, I have a spouse. You know, my wife. I'm a brother, a son, and I gotta work on all the last three departments. You know, being a better partner for my wife. You know, being there, because I a lot of this takes up a lot of my time. You know, grinding, making videos, also having to have time to chart, to actually trade. I trade part time. I only been trading 6 hours a week, only to, you know, be conservative and not blow the account, because trading aggressively and trying to force trades, I've blown accounts trying, because I used to work 2 jobs. Now I don't work 2 jobs, which is giving me an opportunity to make these YouTube videos, you know, to talk about these things and enjoy this. Like, I'm starting to enjoy making these videos for everyone that is interested in what I have to say, because at the end of the day, I know a lot of my videos, it's not going to be for everybody. Everybody's not going to want to hear what I got to say. Everyone's not interested in pips or crypto, which is cool. But to those people who are, I'm glad that I can help. And even if I don't help, because you might already have heard a lot of things that I said, I could be a reassurance that maybe what you've learned was correct or valid information, and I just helped you confirm it. And that's even a good positive, because that's a +1, that's a pip, you know what I mean, that's a 1-up. We want to continue to try to achieve these 1-up and continue to try to do a lot of these things on our own time and free time to help one another. Like, I'm gonna try to start linking up with other YouTubers and trying to start seeing if we can do like live streams together. Not necessarily live streams together, maybe that would be lit too. But I gotta upgrade my laptop. My laptop it's old, but you know, I'll get a new one soon. It's all good. It's really all good, because I'm starting to love what I'm doing. Like, I mean, it's not that I didn't love it before. I was more emotional about the fact that I was doing it. You know, when you first start something, like, you know how you're horrible at it. Not to say I'm the best YouTuber or not, but like, I've improved. If you watch my first videos till now, like, even just this whole process is beautiful. Like, I can do this. Before, it wasn't as easy, or I wasn't as, you know, comfortable just making these videos and talk about things in general. But like, comment, subscribe, motivate. You know, don't stop letting people stop your grind, because people are gonna be out here to knock you down. People are gonna be here to test your, you know, your strength, and you only don't have the strength once you have that point where you give up. Sometimes you gotta dig. You gotta dig for that W, and that W is there. It's just, how bad do you want it? What are you gonna do to make yourself, put yourself in the position to create that success, to create that result that you're looking for, to create that gain, to create that plus, to create, because we take L's every day and we take W's every day. We just want to take more W's than we take L's. So what we do with our L's, we have to learn from them, because once we learn from the losses that we make or take, that we can actually use elsewhere, it's gonna create a better tomorrow for us. Because at the end of the day, the better we get at being ourselves, I feel like the more progress as people we will make, because we've learned to, you know, take care of ourselves to the best of our own ability, because everything starts with self. I have not met a person who has actually been able to help themselves from the outside in. And if you have, like, let me know how that went, because from my understanding, everything started inside, or from in something to another thing. You feel me? Like, you know, you're a winner. Just know that you're that sperm that won that race. I'm not gonna, you know, drag this live way too long, But do understand that you're a winner. Take your W today. Thank you for tuning in on the live content. Thank you for watching my live streams. I'm gonna continue to start doing these more because this is it's a lot easier. It was harder. I'm not gonna lie. I was getting winded. But, you know, I'll probably still do some sweatcoin videos, you know, because I gotta promote sweatcoin anyways, because that's the choice I made. That's the choice. You don't have to get sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is something I do personally, and I do use it. I need to sign up on my stash. I might make a video on how to stash, and you know, I got credit for that, about 10 bucks, which isn't bad. But I think I gotta go validate it. I wasted my last one. I mean, I don't care. I got a lot of sweatcoins. And I'm gonna just keep on getting them. I want to keep maximizing this $20. They haven't upgraded to the new breaker. No, I'm on breaker. The new one. They were gonna make a new tier. I'm waiting for that to come out. Once that come out, I'm gonna probably do a couple more sweatcoin giveaways and then probably transfer over to Bitcoin. We're gonna see. In May, possibly, I'm probably gonna do a Bitcoin giveaway. Maybe either 4 25s, 2 50s, maybe 1 100, maybe even 10. Yeah, I might do just 10 random days. Boom, $10 Bitcoin here. Boom, $10 Bitcoin here. Boom, 10. You know what I mean? Just keep it moving, because like I said, it's cheap to send Bitcoin. And now that I know that, I wouldn't be mad to give it away, you know, crypto, because crypto is the way of the future. That might feed somebody tomorrow, you know what I mean? And if I could do that today, feed you tomorrow from today, I feel better as a person, because I know I did something besides be selfish. I'm learning to master being selfish, and it's pretty cool because now I can actually help people. I believe being selfish, in my personal perception, that's the only way you can help others. You got to learn to love yourself first. Once you learn to love yourself first, you're good. Like, no one can't stop you. As long as you love yourself, no one should be able to stop you from achieving your dream, achieving your goals, achieving what makes you happy. You dig? But thank you for watching this. It's wupips, aka wucrypto. You dig? See you on the next episode, next blog, next. Just, you know, that like button, hit it. That dislike button, if you didn't even like it, dislike. It's all good. Leave a comment, please. I wanna, you know, I'm gonna keep it going. I'm waiting on y'all. I'm here. You know, I'm just letting y'all know. Keep it coming. I'm gonna keep it coming. We gonna make things happen. It's 2018. This year I almost hit my goal with 10K. I wanted 10K views. I said, if I can't get 10K views this year, I was not gonna do YouTube at all. But I'm at 9,000, so, and it's only April, January, February, March, April. It's only been what, 4 months? Let's go. I got it in the second quarter. We still got two more quarters to go. We got 2 more quarters. We got price action for the whole year. Just know that. I'm giving y'all price action for the whole year. YouTube lit. We gonna build this crowd. We gonna build this move. You know what I mean? Pip gang. I might, you know, have to do that. Might go turn that into a LLC real quick. Yo, we might. That's a plan. Next month, LLC, Pip gang. You know what I mean? Woo Pips, you at it again. We just gonna keep building, baby. From here, I started from the bottom, so the only thing left for me is to go up, right? And I'm bringing y'all with me. Whoever ready to come with me, like, comment, subscribe. I'm taking y'all with me. Let's run it. You dig? I missed. See ya. Yep.